Good evening and welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Selbert. Mr. My other channel no. Oh, we have to na most subscribe. I can't subscribe to Porcupine Stand. I can't most subscribe. And to the other channel which is SOTV Football. About SOTV, uma space now the football so channel ni be yaba Mr. Go and subscribe to that channel for authentic football news all over, local and foreign, authentic football news. Go and subscribe so that you can enjoy that kind of quality content at the free that particular channel. But I must say, so be yama me. And now, me share my boss say me de nyoma how do I best sound kotoko. Am penifua kegu masum ebebreo me ka kire wo. Na anopai na ye person ki twa kotoko future stars game no, but in a lot of issues into the Bremen extensively. But before I move on, this is also a Jumano Yedemaya, yes, I did Juma for town. So, as a fan of ASANTE KOTOKO, what are the things you want to see say ASANTE KOTOKO next season? Not this season. Next season. What are the things that you want to see changes KOTOKO next season? Drop your comment. Na mesume de die menya ne ntie se penifo hye wo dem mo besesa by all means mesume de brew na wasante koroko na wo hu die ekoso next season promises to be lovely for Kotoko. We are all hoping say the penifo aka kire no sa pepepe ne beko na ensesa. My name is Obed Champion. You can call me Sir Obed, and this is Porcupine Stand. Let's move on. First thing, where the Amaka, the KOTOKO recruitment will come with a committee. TNA, there will be a committee that will handle ASANTE KOTOKO's recruitment. It will not just be like last season. Yema Ogum the authority to sack and dissolve. The committee will have a policy, a transfer policy. This is coming from a source I know. And the transfer policy would involve players or what we call resale value. So the signings of ASANTE KOTOKO next season will not just be your foul, your two to say KK Jina no a players. KK, who say watch 2 goals be a foul. No. It will go through a series of process. Until next season, one share ya we a blogger, no one dome suka. Players are do when you buse KOTOKO befana hamon febia. They are looking at players that can get them resale value. You can resale value a player otone na in febe mienu miense ti sa wo kan use nimpa enam emfi a wadi no nimfie no form say o polish na yeye oton na yeye. Enye player di be 28 years, 29 years, 30 years. Until after 2 years, no, o turn enye ye, o so no aba abebo. Meaning say, what you understand the point I'm trying to pay. So the committee will have a recruitment policy which include resale value of players, not just any signing. The committee would also probe what your friend on the directive of the coach. But he can be catch or say KOTOKO. Ebenya something like a director of football. First thing I'm a recruitment, no. But I now say any director of football and a structured technical unit. SNO me kabum yinu amount. So just like this season, KOTOKO technical department, no, and our technical directorate, Coach Akwesia Piano or Sudan, Coach Ogumni Adeno. The next season KOTOKO technical directorate is coming from an assured source, say, and yet to say this season it will be well structured in such a way that the pattern of training our youth team it would be synchronized with the pattern of training our senior team Senior players can easily be promoted from one side to the other side. Until next season, who do KOTOKO recruitment won't come out, careful because any better these two things will be structured into a dino and I mean who some friendly panel welfare manager. say director of football, say technical director. But I'm just saying, say recruitment technical structure will be well organized. ASANTE KOTOKO. Number 2, it is confirmed, and I'm stating it, that KOTOKO will have a board. The IMC will be dissolved, and a management will be formed. TNE, KOTOKO will have a board. There will no longer be an IMC. KOTOKO will not operate with an interim management committee. It will be dissolved. But there will be a structured management for ASANTE KOTOKO. This is the filler. Ikutami amedema. Enti onte se yebeka IMC be board. The number of the board members I cannot say. But what I know is say enye bebre to say the previous board of ASANTE KOTOKO. TME enye bebre. The previous board number 13 or I think 11 or 13. Enye sana we be. If the number is likely not to go above 7, until you say IMC, thank you, Baba. Until some will be promoted to the board level, some will stay in the management level. The administrative manager is not likely to join the board. He might stay at the management level, reporting to Fikasiem. Whilst Nana Pinkra Kwesiewa formally on say na Bafo and Kobi Ahene on Nana the traditional leader no board and so. Like say Nana Pinkra Kwesiewa on the Benya position no board no so not technical director na director of football no so akokao na IMC in Leguno na coach Oguma Fole to structure no. Yes, number 2 Amedema. KOTOKO will have a vibrant brands and a corporate unit. Brands and corporate unit. KOTOKO have a vibrant one. And okay, the recommendations are a titiruno elikotu fikasima ya teke huni bina mehuno. Brands and corporate unit. Proper one. It's also KOTOKO IMC normally brands and corporate. Also be management nebe bano ebe to handle sponsorships for ASANTE KOTOKO, how the club image ebe kosoro. Tieniye manka communication director, I'll come and explain that. Manka communication brands and corporate, because when it comes to communication director, some PR there's another issue. Maybe chirimo to overhead the sponsorships. Sponsors are KOTOKO to see how can they sustain them and how can they get more to be part of the team. For the PR unit, no pennyfo and science here. Yes, Oman science here. I'm using the famous words and pennyfo use who meeting as the Ben out Manchester United PR routine. I'm using the me come as some no sending pennyfo baby mama ya kwansi and can do one I can do. The Ben out Chelsea PR routine. And the Ben out Barcelona PR routine. Into the communication unit of ASANTE KOTOKO. Still now has to have a communication director. A linkra tenum say. Just that in Pennyphone say the communication team no and not the has to say members to us, and I can tell you the ANC. Oh, but they want to polish it in such a way, say they believe the face of KOTOKO next season and under this particular regime and the efficacy should not be the PROs. And ye PRO na ofa baby anes you PRO we send your man for by GD no there be. The face should be the players. In senior structure me TSA no people are managing the communication department of KOTOKO. But omun call radio so ni adeno. Leaders are looking at how they can get the best from traditional media. Whilst the people that are going there, the face of the club. So that particular unit, under the new management, the structure is not well done. But the corporate, the corporate affairs manager on Kasa radio so, what the any call sponsors including Komo, Namonje plans near Dembra on how mobile monioma. You see, Mama board Mama IMC be dissolve Mama corporate Mama the technical directorate and Mama the state of ASANTE KOTOKO communication team. No so amount. netwaso the Kotoko youth team penyin kesi su dia say youth team no enya ade obeja na jejebu ebeye adwuma papa into next season send your Kotoko youth team we any tie no the new leadership will continue a policy that would move to next season into the structure of the Kotoko youth team omuntade shem ni ade ni nyina ombeye ho adwuma Kotoko next season only the Hope brand sponsorship na kwawie beduru be 7 ma onioma ebesisi akwawie will Kotoko extend their contract with the Hope brand with me aka say be 30-70 be 30-70 30 so be extended because Hope brand was on board sending Kotoko in the heat of the moment can easily fix their things and get another brand. I can tell you, sir, a lot of communications are also with other brands, and they are going through the office on how best they can fix things, and Kotoko will get a new sponsor. And yes, Hope brand, dear no, min cousin should do as a but don't be surprised. So ASANTE Kotoko at the end of the day, someone announce a new kit sponsor. Don't be surprised. Any day floba. Adakweja achensem no omo kan but akaje say adakweja achensem no metia me hu ye ya me njindi na no there that is my new position. I will not criticize, neither will I attack anybody, but me hu ya me njindi just don't see adakweja achesu benya face left but me hu ya me njindi any day floba. Now got trip to Europe pre-season my mema hu update so enso so na hu die ko sese no enkreba na sounds like grasshoppers and Schalke 04 ne dey confirmed say Kotoko ni omo ebe di djuma na Kotoko ni omo akobo matches players no there will be a 40-man contingent which will be sponsored by Vroom to carry Kotoko to a year this European trip. So it's still on. Because we be some question. It's still on. Kotoko base ewo Netherlands. That is what I'm picking. ASANTE Kotoko base ewo Netherlands. Na possible say in the coming weeks there will be an announcement of a third club. That will be a club based in Netherlands. Because I want a Kotoko na me dem call that, but almost say Netherlands hono ultimate the train at the Germany. Also had the train to because I Switzerland. They know the amendments aka. It is so ongoing 40-man contingent which will include old players of Kotoko, Kotoko media, Kotoko players, and Kotoko technical team for this particular trip. They know so ya kakra dey obi bisa me. Or how bet me the amount. Be bibia kwi. Kotoko communication department ne dey mpedinfo ji some convince authorities say we kese mu more because omo nya omo agent say omo enye so omo nya omo agent but they want to project the players and project the club Kotoko na ma bibia etimi akoyi ama Kotoko nti me assure mo say enumre me de ho nsensem bebram nti mama technical directorate mama youth team I think we Phoebe brands communication and other things refia the refi no me trotro refi mesa dia bro na recruitment of Kotoko there me nya assurance we no sikana kura etwa to for Kotoko recruitment in a massive and there will be better Kotoko recruitment I be who next season enti kakra wo ho no e na maboa no e dia bro anumre na me adoma e be share cha bye bye.